In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your Uber ride history and receipts. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can quickly find exactly what you need for budgeting, reimbursements, or personal records. Start by opening a web browser on your phone or computer and going to muber.com. This is Uber's mobile web experience, and it works even if you don't have the app installed. Use the same account you take rides with. If you're prompted, sign in so the page can display your trips. Once the home page loads, look toward the top right and select Activity. That's the section where Uber lists your past rides and related details. Give it a moment to load if your history is long. Inside Activity, you'll see filters that help you separate your rides by profile. You can switch between personal, business, family, and delegate. This is especially helpful if you use Uber for work and want to keep your business trips distinct from your personal ones, or if you manage rides on behalf of someone else. Choose the profile that matches the receipts you're trying to review so your list becomes shorter and easier to scan. You can also refine the time range. By default, you can view all trips, limit it to the past 30 days, or pick specific months. Selecting a month is often the fastest way to gather receipts for an expense report or to check a particular billing cycle. If you're catching up on older rides, step through month by month. If you just need a quick look at recent activity, the past 30 days view is usually perfect. As you adjust these filters, the activity page updates to show only the rides that match. Each entry reflects a trip from your history and includes the essential details you expect to see with a receipt, such as the date, pickup and drop-off locations, and what you were charged. Because everything is grouped by profile and time frame, it's straightforward to confirm which rides belong to work, which belong to personal, and which were taken under family or delegate settings. If something doesn't appear right away, double check that you're viewing the correct profile and time period. Also, make sure you're signed into the account where the rides were booked. A quick refresh can help if the list seems slow. And that's it. Go to muber.com, open Activity in the top right, filter by profile, and narrow the date range to find the ride history and receipts you need quickly and with confidence.